Hello children, a very good morning. Hope you all are fine. So children, in our lesson 7, we have discussed about length, weight and capacity, right? So we have covered 3 topics in this particular lesson, that is measuring length and about weight and also about capacity. So length means what? Yes, that is the measuring the size. And weight means what? How much heavy that particular thing is, we have learned, right? Next is what? That is the capacity. That means how much a container can hold, right? That is the capacity. And we have also learnt about different standard units. So the standard unit for length is meter. 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. And for longer distances, we use kilometer. That is 1 kilometer is equals to 1000 meters, right? And the next one is the weight. And the standard unit of weight is kg. K means kilo, kilogram. Kg means kilogram. And 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. G for grams. Okay. So that is what the standard unit for weight. Now moving to the capacity. The standard unit of capacity is liter. The standard unit of capacity is liter. So 1 liter, L-I-T-R-E liter, we write as L. 1 liter is equals to 1000 milliliter, right? So about these all standard units also we have discussed, right? And about the conversion also we have learned. Now today we will discuss about how to add the weight or the capacity or length of different items are given, then how to add. So this is exercise 7.4. So the first bit you can see. Now 7 kg plus 3 kg, right? So you have to do as you were doing in your normal addition. But what you have to write is after 7 or 3 you have to compulsorily write kg, right? So one example I'll give you. Accordingly we will complete this exercise 7.4. Now the question is 7 kg plus 3 kg. So children, here you can see the question 7 kg plus 3 kg. You have to write both 7 and 3 in columns, right? So you have to write one below another. Now 7 here and 3 here. So now, but kg is must. You have to write kg here. Now normal addition you have to do, that is 7 plus 3. How much? Yes, that is 8, 9, 10. So the answer is 10, but you have to write kg beside it. Okay. So similarly you have to add 16 plus 9. You have to write the number below another number and you have to add. But after the answer you have to write kg or liter or meter or any of the unit is there, right? So let's add second one, that is one question from your capacity also. So 2b, I'll solve 2b, that is 26 liters plus 12 liters. Now here you can see the b bit, this is the addition of capacity. So if the unit is there, you have to write there. Then here also when you are writing in the column also you have to put liter, L for liter, right? So what you have to do is you have to first add, that is 6 plus 2. Yes, normal addition how you are doing, you have to do like that only. 6 plus 2, 7, 8, right? 8, 2 plus 1, 3. But you have to write liter after 38. So you have to add in the similar manner for this length also. But what is the difference is you have to write whatever the kg is given. So you have to write kg. Liter, L is there. You have to write liter in the answer. Meter is there. M for meter, right? cm for centimeter. You have to write the standard units whatever these are given after the number. Now here you can see the same questions are there, but these are in what? Subtract 36 meters from 87. So these are additions, right? But these are subtraction. Let's do one question from subtraction also. Now subtract 36 meter from 87 meter. Now by seeing the unit you can see whether this is length or weight or capacity. Yes or no? Yes. Because meter is the unit for, yes, that is the length. Now let's do the fourth bit. Similarly, you have to do fifth bit and sixth bit. Now children, in this question you can see Subtract 36 meter from means which one is the bigger number? Yes, 87, right? You can always subtract from larger number. So first you have to write 87 minus 36, right? 87 meters minus 36 meters. So here you can see 87 meters minus 36. Now 7 minus 6. Yes, normal subtraction, whatever you are doing, that is 1, right? 1. 8 minus 3, that is 5. Now 51, don't forget to write meters. If this is in kg, you have to write kg. If this is in meter, you have to write meter. If that is in liter, you have to write liter, L. Okay. So similarly, complete all the 5th one and 6th one. Now moving to the 7th one. Now what is the question? Convert into centimeter. Now children, here one thing you remember, that 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. This is the standard conversion you have to remember, right? 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeter. Now 2 meters will be 200 centimeters. 1 meter 75 means meter you have to convert plus 75. If this is in centimeter, no, you have to add. 1 meter is equals to 100. Wait. Now here you can see first 1 meter. Whatever the number in meter, you have to convert. So 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. So the next one is in centimeters. So plus 75 centimeters. So the answer will become 175 centimeters. Okay. If 75 centimeter is there or any of the centimeter is again there after this meter, you have to add that. Okay. Now convert into meters. Now already you know that 100 centimeters is equals to 1 meter. So this is before 2 points you have. So if the question is like this, what you have to do is 175. Now what you have to do is before 2, that is 1's place, 10's place, just you have to divide it. So before that, that is the meter. 1 meter 75 centimeters. Understood? The last 2 digits will be your centimeter and the before number, whatever this is there in the hundreds place, that will be in the meters. 1 meter 75 centimeters. Now 425 centimeter is there. Now can you tell me? Yes. 1's place, 10's place will be your centimeter and 4 will be your meters. Okay. So 1's place and 10's place are for centimeter and the before number in the hundreds place, that is in the meter form. 713 centimeters means this can be written as 7 meters 13 centimeters. This is very simple. Don't be confused. Only 1's place and 10's place are your centimeters and the remaining number in the hundreds place, that is in the meters. Now moving to your word problem. The weight of Mohan is 28 kg. Weight of his sister is 17 kg. Find their total. Now can you tell me which one is the keyword? Yes, total is the keyword. Now total is the keyword for which operation? Yes, that is your addition. Now if you want to find out the total weight, you have to add. So I'm not doing this one, only you just add 28 kg plus 17 kg you have to do. And don't forget to write kg after the answer. Similarly, you find out the keyword and try to do all these bits. If you have any doubt, please let me know, children. So this is a combination of addition and subtraction. All are not additions, all are not subtractions. Right? Hope you understood about these conversions. These are very important. If you have any doubts, please let me know. So this is about exercise 7.4, page number 151. Try to complete mental maths also.